Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Xtrillions. This is Leo the Generale speaking, and today we're going to go through the month of August 2021, and we're going to go through our trades that we've been taking. We've taken the total amount of 7 trades. All of them were wins. One of them we closed it at B. The rest we made some profit on it. However, the good thing, we had 0 losses this month. And before we start the video, make sure you go leave a like, make sure you have subscribed, and if you don't understand anything from the video, go leave a comment below and we'll gladly help you guys. So don't be afraid to leave a comment down below. And make sure guys you stay till the end of the video to make the most out of it, because we'll be sharing a lot of things in this video, so just stay till the end. Promise you it will be worth it. So we took the first trade we took was on the 12th of August on USD ZAR. USD ZAR this month was on fire, as you can see, especially with the HOD trades and the sells. Most of the trades we've taken, as you can see, they were all sells. We took again USD ZAR on the 13th as a sell. We made 1,000 pips. Then on the 17th of August we took another sell on USD ZAR, and then we took 2 buys. One was on Euro SEK on the 18th of August, and then on the same day we also took GBP SEK. These trades were meant to be a hard lob, however they didn't pay out the way we wanted them to. And then we took another trade on the 20th on ZAR again. So ZAR this month was on fire guys. ZAR was full of setups this month. And then lastly we took a trade on a GBP USD, again in an HOD pattern. This month the HOD trades were the ones that were the most active. So my advice to you right now would be to study the HOD trades and improve your skills on them, since they are the ones that they've been happening the most so far. So right now I want to go through this USD ZAR chart. Let me just switch screen. So here's the chart I want to talk about. The 13th of August trade that we made at 1,000 pips on. A HOD trade, if you don't know guys, a HOD trade is when you see this blue tracer line. It is when they go over the blue tracer, and the blue tracer is the yesterday's high. So they extend the HOD, they make the price extreme. And this trade was just beautiful, because as you can see, everyone was looking at this moving average day 800 EMA, and they were seeing this as a support. So all the retail traders were looking at this and they were like, oh, that's a strong support, so tomorrow the price is going to go up. And it got many traders trading this, because if you think about it, the 800 EMA on the higher time frames, on the 1 hour if I'm not mistaken, it is the 200, and on the 4 hours it is the 50 EMA. And people trade these EMAs guys, you need to understand this is very important. People trade the EMAs and they get tricked by them. They use them as how would I interpret, like as a support and a resistance levels, and that they generally do see them, and they trade them, they place contracts based on these EMAs. And also what is beautiful is this crossover right here. So this was giving further confirmation for the people that wanted to go long, to trade it long. And market makers coming out of the London session, they showed exactly that. They showed them a long move. They've done a lot of blue candles, introducing the traders of first thing in the morning to buy it, and then they did this little formation right here which they trapped everybody. And as you can see, like once they issued this pin, they never went past it again on that day. What does that mean to us? That means that that is the HOD for the day. That's a signal we need to use, and now start looking for the pattern, because once we know where the endpoint is, then we start looking for the pattern. We don't look for the pattern straight away as we come into the markets, because otherwise, if we're looking at the pattern coming straight in at the markets, we would have traded this information and then got fucked up. However, you need to understand where the price is going and where is it going to stop for you to have a valid trade. And if it doesn't go to the points you want them to go, it's fine, guys. Just let the trade go. It's not yours. Go, skip to the next trade, and don't feel like you're missing out on anything. And just try improve from there, guys. And you'll see if it was worth it to stay out of the trade, or if it was a bad idea to stay out. And based on the experience that you'll have a good decision making in the future. However, don't trade everything, guys. You need to be selective about what you trade. And the second trade I want to talk about is this one on the 17th of August. Similar scenario as the previous one. Again, we have this 800 EMA right below. People were 100% seeing this as a strong support line. They were seeing like prices like bouncing up it, like it didn't touch it. However, people do still see it as like a support going up. And again, first thing in the morning, what did the market makers do? They actually introduced all of the Asian session, and then going into the London session, as you can see, with big green candles. So all the time they did this big green candles, big green candles, big green candles, and then during the stop and time, more big green candles. So anyone that was just waking up in the morning, they were seeing these charts and they were like, oh, I need to get on board of this. This is a buy. I'm missing out on a trade. This is going to go up to the moon. And then market makers are like, hell no, let's put the brakes on this guy. They issued I believe this is an evening star pattern, and then they just dropped 1,000 pips down. This is another beautiful chart example, and again a HOD pattern, guys. Another HOD pattern right there. As you can see, they went above the blue line. So guys, in this last part of the video, I just want to talk with you about what to expect next in the markets. Right now we are in September. There's 4 months left to the end of the year, the end of 2021, and in the next few months I'm expecting, especially starting from this September, the volatility to pick up, because historically I've done spreadsheets, I did a tracking on the work on the markets, and I know that the volatility picks up during those months of September, October, and November and December. December not so much in the last 2 years. However, the previous years it was a little bit more active. This year's last 2 years it was pretty dead, and so I'm not expecting too much from December. However, I'm expecting something from this month of September, October, November. I'm expecting the markets to pick up the volatility and issue more trade. And I'm not just saying this because I just feel like saying it. However, I'm saying this because I've done spreadsheets on them, and I know historically the trades are more frequent during these months. So right now the trades that are working out the most are the HOD trades. So I'm expecting more HOD trades coming in the coming months, and I'm going to do some study myself on those trades and try and improve my skills in them. So right now my strong point is the hod lobs, and however, since they're not painting out the way they were painting out in June and in May, all I need to do, I can't do anything about it. However, what I can do is just adapt to this new market which is the HOD patterns, and improve on my weakness, as this is what is working out right now. So guys, I'll end the video here today. I hope you liked this August monthly review. Leave a comment if you didn't like anything. Go leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe, and make sure you study hard ahead of this 4 months that are coming. So that will be all. This is Leo. Make sure you trade with precision. Xtrillions.